Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is just going to be a quick little video. Just want to tell you guys a little bit about an experience that I had with this used 2014 Can-Am Commander 800 that we purchased. Since the day we bought it, it was pulling to the right, super hard. I've done everything. I've checked all kinds of blogs, websites, forums. I've contacted the dealer looking for the reason why it would be pulling. I checked control arms. I checked the frame. I checked everything. Thought maybe it had been rolled and bent. All the tire pressures were all set equally. Still, it would pull to the right. I was told maybe bring it to the dealer, have them reset the DPS. I did an alignment on it over and over and over, and finally, I found the fix. And you will not believe this. Stick around and watch. All right, so let's talk a little bit about my pulling to the right issue. Again, this is a 2014 Can-Am Commander, the 800. It has the DPS, electric power steering, and I would fight with this machine to keep it on the trail or on the road, pull to the right where the steering wheel would be at an angle like this. It was exhausting after a 1 hour ride. This one's got the Bighorn 2.0 tires on it. They're the factory tires. The machine had just over 3,000 kilometers when we bought it. It has the 27, what do we got back there? We got the 2711 14s in the rear and 2711 or 27.9 14s in the front. Yeah. This is really quick. This is really easy. Turns out that having the same tire pressure, the same air pressure in all the tires means absolutely nothing for the outside diameter. And I'll show you guys what I mean. Now I know what you're going to say. You're going to say, what do you mean having the same tire pressure, same air pressure in your tires? They don't have the same overall diameter. What I'm speaking about or referencing is the height of the actual tire. Turns out that this one here, the left front, the left rear, and the right rear at the same air pressure are all 28 inches. That right front over there, 20 pounds of air, same air pressure, is 27.75 inches. That is why the thing was pulling to the right so hard. I actually had to put 22.5 pounds of air on the right front tire to get the same overall diameter or the same height as the other three. And it solved my problem instantly. Took it out for a ride. I couldn't believe it. I was floored. 3 weeks working working on the computer trying to find out fixes and thinking I had to bring it to the dealer, get the DPS reset, all kinds of stuff. It was really simple to find out, guys. I just took my T-square here and I just placed it right center as I could on the actual wheel. And I'm pushing it flush up against the side of the rim. And I'm just making sure that it's level this way. Just leveling it off, making sure I'm in the center, just like so. And once I know that, all I'm doing is I'm grabbing the level, coming across the top, leveling it out, and looking at the measurement. So right there we have 28 inches. So I know that the top of my level here is 28 inches. The actual bottom of the level, so the actual height, I'll give you guys the actual height. Yeah, so we're looking at 25.5 inches overall height. I was using the top of the level, give me the 28 inches, but something so simple could cause such an issue. So just remember that apparently air pressure on these ATV Bighorns, it doesn't matter what the air pressure is. They may not be the same overall height. Simple fix. So I really hope this video can help maybe somebody else out there deal with the issue of a Can-Am Commander pulling to one side. It was a really silly thing. It took me a long time to figure out what was going on. I happened upon a blog where somebody had mentioned it and I thought I'd give it a shot, and sure enough, there we go, drives as straight as an arrow. So remember, tire pressure doesn't always mean the same outside diameter on these ATV tires. I found out the hard way. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope this little quick tip really helped you out. I really appreciate you. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button and hit that like bell, and don't forget the little notification thing too. That really helps apparently. Once again, thank you very much. Talk to you guys soon.